HolyWireMod here with Lua tutorial 27, where we're going to be taking a look at efficiency. Now this video is going to be a little different because we're going to be analyzing code and determining why it's bad code and why you shouldn't do it and what's the right way to do it. So if you like these videos, actually, you want to see more of these types of videos on the Lua series, please feel free to leave some in the comments section below, and I'll be considering that for future videos. Anyway, getting into this video, we have a code which was coming from the Gmod wiki actually, and it made a good point that a lot of players are using these tables, right? And then they're looping through tables just to get a certain value from this table to see if it exists or not. This is actually a very inefficient and poor method of doing it, though it's very common, and I don't recommend doing it. So let's see why this is bad. So we have these tables right here, so we have the team. So what we're doing is we're doing table has value. Now anybody who knows table has value will know that this is actually a loop, and actually it utilizes a loop. So we're looping through a table to check if the player's team is on this table. And if so, then we are going to see if it's not restricted. So is it on the allowed vehicles list? And if not, then return false. Okay, so let's expand this out and it's going to become more apparent here what's going on. So we have this being the first has value, table has value right here. So you're seeing there's the loop that I was talking about. And after that, it's going into another loop down here to go through another table. So when you have a table of length 100 or 100 different items in your table, or objects in your table rather, yeah, this is going to cause some lag. This is going to cause some server issues, and some really want to look forward to or look for in your code to see if you can work around it. So what's the fix to this? Well, it's actually pretty simple. We're going to be utilizing table keys and properly utilizing them. So these are actually what it's meant for. So let me grab these two tables up here, and I'm going to paste it down here for comparison for you guys. So we have here restricted teams. Now the difference here with this method, or the fix, is that we're using or setting the thing we're looking for as the key, and we're setting that to equal a value of true or false. This way we can actually implement this as a Boolean expression in if statement instead of going through a table or iterating a loop through a table just to see if the value exists. So now the key is used to check if the value is there or not, rather than looping through and all that stuff and using a bunch of CPU that you shouldn't be using and causing lag. Alright, now same thing with allowed vehicles. It's just two simple if statements, and that looks so much better. But anyway, like I said, if you guys enjoy this type of video where we analyze code and see how it can be improved and better, please leave some in the comment section below, along with any questions or whatnot. And of course, you're always welcome to visit us on our Discord server, which is located right here if you would like to come chat or have any more questions. As always, if you like the material, feel free to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys.